Greg from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. I've found that by giving people an easy, free plan of things that they could start doing today to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I give you today and do it all yourself, that totally works for me too. I'm all about building small businesses up. So let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to talk about is the easiest to start working on, and it's actually one of the more important things Google looks at, and that's content. So I ran your website here in a tool that I use called SEO Quake, and basically what it does is it breaks down a lot of the information on your website. And we're going to look at content first right here, right? So you have a total number of words on your website of 415, all right? So in order to be optimized with Google, they have released that their algorithms are looking for a minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage, all right? So with you guys being at 415, you're at about 1,100 shy of the minimum goal marker. So right out of the gate, something you could do really fast and easy to boost your business is just add some content to that homepage, which leads me into a couple other things, right? So what I wanted to do is, with the same thing of content, I wanted to look at some of your competition, see what they're doing. So I looked at a company in your area, Dalworth Clean. They do flooring, right? They do carpet cleaning, tile and grout, a lot of the similar things that you guys do for your cleaning. And we'll go ahead and pull them in SEO Quake. And they have 1,121 content, all right? So we can see that they are surpassing you a little bit, but they're not even meeting that 1,500 word limit. So just think what you could do if you did that. I also looked and saw you did post-construction cleaning, so I looked up post-construction cleaning in your area. Now I get it, this is a little farther because this is Dallas-Fort Worth, but let's just see what they're doing. And they've got 1,364. So again, all are a little under 1,500, but if you guys just add content, then you'll already, be a step above them. Now this isn't going to make you jump 15 steps, but what it is going to do is let Google know that your content is relative and you should be searched, so they will start building yours up. Next thing I want to go over, and it's a little more important than just content, but the quality of that content, and that's keywords. So when we look on Google, the first thing we're going to see when we type in a business or what we're looking for are ads. And people are paying, obviously, to be up on those ads on Google. But studies show that ads are only semi-effective. And they can definitely become a money pit if they're not bringing in adequate revenue. So the next best thing is to be high on the organic listing, the next businesses under the ads. The way you do that is content and keyword quality. So if we look here, the keywords that you guys are using is cleaning, carpet, services, professional. Some of your other ones are the competition are using cleaning services, Stratus building. And then the other one, cleaning, carpet, Dalworth, grout, tile, floor. So why this is important of having good keywords and good keyword density, so where that is coming from, and how many times you're using it, is because Google, when they run these algorithms again, what they're looking for is to see how relevant your site is to what's being searched. So if I type in, residential tile and grout cleaning, and it's not on your homepage frequently, Google isn't going to know that that's really what your business specifies in. No one's going in and reading all this. They just have algorithms that crawl all these pages, and it counts how many times you're using words. So having that keyword density is key to growth. So it kind of goes hand in hand with content. You want to have the 1,500 words, and you want a lot of those words to be relevant words for what you're selling. Thirdly, most important, and the biggest thing Google looks at is backlinks. So if we go back in here and we look at yours, you have zeros across the board. That's not good because the backlinks are going to be what tells Google that your site is trustworthy and that it is a strong domain and should be at the top of Google. If we look at your competition, they have 43,000 referring domains. And then if we look at Carpet Cleaning Dallas, another one of your competition, they have 734. That's really strong. So basically what backlinks are they are other websites that have a link to your website on them. This can be anything from blogs to other websites that do similar things, to even companies that sponsor your cleaning supplies or anything like that. Putting your website on their website and linking to you tells Google that you're a trustworthy site and that you're a strong, reliable domain that they can visit. You want to make sure these are high quality as well, so that you know yours would be from the companies we just discussed, like cleaning products or blogs about cleaning or post-construction cleaning, pressure washing, things like that. Not Pizza Hut, because you guys don't make pizzas. So in closing, we talked about 3 things today. We talked about content, getting the number on your homepage to be at least 1,500 or more. Secondly, we talked about the importance of keywords and that keyword density, having the keywords that you want your business to be triggered for frequently in your website content. Thirdly, we talked about the importance of backlinks and how getting these backlinks is what is really going to tell Google that you deserve to be number 1. If you implement these strategies we discussed today, you can easily start growing in your Google rankings and bring in more business. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either take the information I just gave you today, go out and do this all on your own, and like I said, I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.